Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stella Dien. So I'm moisturizing my face now, so we are just getting into this. So for my primer, I'm using the Pond's Lasting Oil Primer, priming all over my face since I have very oily skin. My lashes today, my brows, sorry, I'll do it off camera. I have a very detailed brow tutorial. If you want to see, I'll list in the description box below. So I'm using the Zickel Even True foundation on my face today. I'm using a sponge and I'm applying using a dabbing motion. So because today's look is a cat's eye, I think doing the skin first before the eyes is preferable, if that's the word. So for my highlights, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm applying it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead. And applying is dabbing it in using the blending sponge, the one I used before, with the other side of the sponge. And I'm still using the LA Girl Pro Conceal as my eyeshadow base. So I'm using one stone to kill two birds in this process. So I'm setting everything in using my setting powder, a loose powder, not pressed. On my last video, I said that it's better to use a loose powder than a pressed powder because of the finish you'll get with it. So I'm setting all the places I highlighted. For my contour and other good stuff, I'm using the Avo Professional Powder Palette. So I'm getting those two shades as my contour. Applying it using a circular motion since I don't want any harsh lines. We are so focused on the blend, guys. The blend should be seamless. There should not be any demarcation. So I'm contouring my hairline too. It's actually very important you contour your hairline because you don't want to look like you have a mask on. So for my nose contour, I'm using one shade lighter than my darker than my skin tone, since I said in my previous video that it's more difficult to blend the contour, the nose contour. So I'm using that shade from the Beauty eyeshadow palette as my first transition color, and I'm using that as my main shade, the pink, baby pink, as my main color, still from the Beauty eyeshadow palette, the jelly palette. So I'm blending everything in using my blending sponge and my blending brush. So I'm using that first color to smudge out my under eye area. I'm always talking of continuity. You want everything to continue, so your down should reflect your up should reflect your down. So onto the main stuff, the most important stuff. So I draw a very thin line first. Then I start building it in. You build it as small or as large as you want. When you are satisfied, you will now connect it with your tear dot. And I'm using a black liner for this, as you guys can see. So going towards your tear dot, it has to thin out. You have to thin it out. And this, you draw a little line from your tear dot downward. You connect it to your waterline Like all the weight should be on the water line, not the upside again. You connect it to your water line, and I'm continuing the process using a gel liner to line my water line. You can use a different liner if you prefer, but I really like the black, the finish of the black. That's why I continue with the black. So you line your water line from your tear dots. So for the what will hold the glitter, I'm using the classic lash glue, and I'm applying it in all the places I want the glitter to be. Your lashes might get in the way, your natural lashes might get in the way while doing this. So for the glitter, I'm using this one. It was so pretty, I thought it would come out well, but if I had known, I could have used a larger glitter, but it still did the job. So I wet my brush first, then dip it into the glitter. I wet the sponge and the brush started to hold the glitter. Then I now apply it on all the areas I want the glitter to be. I dab it into those places. Like I said before, your natural lash might get in the way, but you gotta do what a girl's gotta do. What movie is that? I forgotten. But if you remember, drop it in the comment section. So there was so much fallout, so I had to clean it off. So I had to prep my glitter for my lash. I had to apply mascara on my non-existent lash. And this one is the worst. Apply lashes to my super non-existent bottom lashes. So you guys know what time it is. I had to blush. I have to apply a blush. And if you have not tried a blush before, guys, try it. Like especially on women of color, the red, the orange blushes, yeah, cute. Like they'll just make your face like just try it first. So I had to apply my highlight. You guys know I'm a highlight girl. On all the places I usually highlight. Then comes my lash, my favorite part of makeup. I think this one makes the look more sophisticated, makes the look like it just elevates the look. So I'm setting the whole of my face with the Kiss Beauty setting spray. Now applying my lip gloss. This is the MAC. I've forgotten the shade name, but it's this pink number. So guys, this is the final look. I think my camera did not do this look more justice. But don't forget to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Till the next time. Bye guys.